Hello students, you are going to know about the type conversion. As the name implies, when we convert a value of one data type to another data type, this is called type conversion. When you design the program, so we use the values of different data types, different types, integer, real. Sometimes we have to perform the operation between integer and integer. We get the integer result. If we have real values, then we get the real results. But maybe values are of integer as well as real. Then we get the result of real value. So, in this way, when we take type conversion, so type conversion is of two types. One is implicit type conversion and another is explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion refers lower data type value to higher data type value. It means, suppose you have a value 10 which is of integer type. If we take double b is equal a, so here you can see the lower data type value, since integer needs 4 bytes, the size of the integer is 4 bytes and the size of double is 8 bytes. So the data of 4 bytes can easily accommodate to the 8 bytes. So here when you write double b is equal a, so there is no any change in a, but when we talk about the value of b, so the value of b is 10.0, since double data type holds the value in real form. Real form means the value which contains decimal point. Here you have only 10, so when you represent 10 in decimal form, so you will get 10.0. So you can see this is implicit type conversion, and here you can notice the point, the lower data type value is converted to the higher data type value. Now when we talk about the explicit type conversion, so this is the reverse of implicit. Here you can say the value of higher data type is converted to the lower data type. How can we do it? Very simple. For this we take an example. You have one value a is equal 10.5. The value of a is 10.5. Here we take int b is equal a. So in this case you will get error. What is the reason? You can say the type of the a is double and the size of the double is 8 bytes. It means 64 bits. Of the data of 64 bits can be accommodated in 32 bits. No, that is why you will get here error. So how can we handle this thing? So here when you write int b equal a, so you will get error, and when you take the data type int along with the a, so integer type, then any variable of integer type can easily accommodate that value. So here you can see when there is no any change in A, but when you talk about the value of B, so you will see you will get only 10, and in this case you can see one thing, the data can be lost. That is why when we talk about the programming, so in programming we should very careful when we perform any kind of arithmetic operations. After the evaluation of the expression, what kind of value we will get, and the answer should be accurate. Keeping this thing in our mind, we should take the data type accordingly, and if required, so we can also use the type conversion, and this is the implicit type conversion is also known as automatic type conversion, since there is no any extra thing we have to do. But in case of explicit, this conversion is done by the user forcefully, since you can see here the data is given in the form of double and we convert it into the form of integer. So in this way we can do the type conversion according to the question. Thank you.